Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the process of saving a Facebook post image to your PC. Sometimes you come across a captivating image on Facebook that you want to save for later or share with others. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the Facebook website. Log into your account to access your news feed. Step 2. Find the post you want. Take your time to scroll through your news feed until you locate the post containing the image you wish to save. It could be a post from a friend, a group, or a page you follow. Step 3. Click on the desired image. Once you have found the post, locate the image you want to save. Click on the image to open it in a larger view. Step 4. When it opens, right-click the image. Once the image is open, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with various options. Step 5. Select Save Image As from the list. From the context menu, hover over the Save Image As option. Clicking on it will prompt a File Explorer window to appear. Step 6. Select a location and image name, then press Save. In the File Explorer window, choose the desired location on your PC where you want to save the image. You can also provide a name for the image if you wish. Once you have made your selections, click on the Save button to save the image to your PC. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to save a Facebook post image to your PC. Now you can keep your favorite images or share them with others at your convenience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Stay connected and see you in the next video.